I'm a soldier. I told you.
This is on a video.
If you don't believe the power, just see with your eyes. You won't believe them when you see the X-Wing rise. Yoda, why you being a player hater, man? You know I must confront Lord Vader, but Luke's not ready. You are. But it says I gotta
No one in this
choose,
pack.
I said I gotta choose. So now Vader, I'm coming for
Oh wait,
you.
that guy.
And then comes to some head going on strike, and I'm not prepared for the shit. Who'd like? It's you know we constructed the Death Star? I do the rest of it. Hold on. Smoking Dagobah, I agree. I gotta like a man over nigga.
Yo, the voice is weird.
You're just sicker. Oh. Yeah, that's right, tell him, Chewie. Yes, they have Leia all drunk wanting to do me, man. Shut up, Leia is my sister. The only thing you're getting is a jack-off list.